Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Docker on a VPS for container hosting. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your virtual private server through SSH. Open a terminal on your local machine. Type SSH your username at your VPS IP. Replace your username with your VPS username. Replace your VPS IP with the actual IP address of your VPS. Enter your password when prompted. Once logged in, update your package repository. Use the command sudo apt update. After the update completes, install dependencies. Run the command sudo apt install apt transport https ca certificates curl software properties common. Next, add Docker's official GPG key. Execute curl fssl https://download.docker.com/linux/ubuntu/gpg sudo apt key add dash. Now, add the Docker repository to your system. Use the command sudo add apt repository deb arch equals amd64 https://download.docker.com/linux/ubuntu $lsb_release cs stable. Update your package database again to include Docker. Run sudo apt update once more. Now, install Docker. Execute sudo apt install docker ce. To check if Docker is installed correctly, use sudo system/status docker. You should see an active running status. Next, allow your user to run Docker commands without sudo. Use the command sudo usermod ag docker your username. Replace your username with your actual username. Log out from the SSH session and log back in. Confirm Docker installation by typing Docker version. You should see the installed version of Docker displayed. To test Docker, you can run a sample container. Use the command docker run hello world. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.